1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/3 cup of cold butter, and we're going to cut it into chunks, 1 1/4 cup buttermilk, and 3/4 cup raisins. We're making classic Irish soda bread. What I want to do is I want to add my flour, my sugar, baking soda, baking powder, and salt all together. Then we add in our butter. And we're just going to mix it up. We're going to try to get all the butter incorporated or mixed into the flour. You take your fingers and work it through. You want the butter to be really in little tiny chunks. What you're trying to avoid are these bigger chunks. And what we can do is just break them off in our fingers, crumble them up. We've made a well for our buttermilk. We're going to just pour it in, and we're just going to start working our flour and butter mixture together. What you want to do is you want to start from the inside and work your way out instead of getting it all clumped up, and just work your bowl around. All right, at this point we're going to add our raisins. We have 3/4 cups of raisin here. We're just going to mix that in. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to use the same bowl to knead our dough. We need to preheat the microwave convection oven. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit bake, manual convection bake, select, 375, select, open the oven, start. All right, see you in a minute. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm using a pizza pan. It's the easiest for this recipe. I've cut out a piece of parchment paper. We're going to take the dough out of the bowl, place it in the center. What we want to do is pat it down just a little bit, and we want to make sure that it's somewhat round. Is we're going to add an X to the top of our dough, and then we'll place it in the microwave convection oven. All right, it's time to put it in the microwave convection oven. We're going to put it on our round rack. That way it'll have some air movement going around. Start, and we'll see you in a few minutes. It's just about time to take our soda bread out. Let's see how we're doing. Oh my goodness, look at this. All right. We're going to let this cool down for approximately 10 minutes. We'll cut into it and we'll see you then. Okay, and here we have our classic Irish soda bread. Hope you enjoy. Bye.